2018 opening day, and this is going to be the new talent that we have. So I want to go down the line. What's your name? Connor.
Max.
Ash. And
John.
All right, guys, welcome. So you like the cars that you're seeing so far today?
Yeah,
Beautiful
absolutely.
paint.
Yeah, thank you. Are you guys interested in doing this for a living? Or?
Oh, yeah.
Definitely, yeah.
So what schools do you guys go to?
Heartland High School.
Heartland High School? All of you?
Yeah.
Do you have a shop class there or anything?
Yeah, our teacher's Ron Weston.
Okay, very good. So have you guys done any painting or body work or sanding like that yet?
No, not so far. It's basically mechanical.
Mechanical stuff? Well, that's good. You gotta start somewhere.
Yeah, we'd be really interested in trying to get into the painting.
Yeah. Yeah, it's tough to do at a school. There's a lot of stuff that's required, and it's pretty expensive to do. But yeah, thanks for coming by. I mean, is there any other questions you have for me? Or
What wakes you up in the morning?
me? The passion for painting. I mean, it is. I built myself a business that I love doing. It's a dream job. It's not like going to work at all. I mean, I get up, I deal with classic cars. I make people happy, because these cars are sentimental to them. Most of my clientele are people that had this car when they were in high school, and they want another one like it, or they still have the same one from high school, so they want it rebuilt to relive that high school dream. So that's what it's pretty awesome, you know what I mean? And then when it finally comes together, we try to get them to bring them down here to Autorama and show them off. So it's really exciting. It's fun doing what I do. I mean, it took me a long time to get where I'm at, but definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. Not even like going to work.